Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another school lunch video. Happy Halloween. I just actually came inside from shoveling snow. We got like 5 inches of snow last night, which is not typical for Halloween in Iowa. I mean, we get lots of snow here, but typically not until later in the year. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm a full-time working mom. I have 2 kids who are in 5th and 1st grade, and they actually eat school lunch a lot of the time, or they have been more recently, so I haven't been packing lunch for them as frequently as I used to. It does take me a few weeks to get all these clips together, so this is over the span of several weeks. I will end this video with today's Halloween lunch that I packed them. So I actually took today off. I always tried to take the day of Halloween off work because I love dressing up and I love going to my kids' school and helping out with their Halloween parties. And so that's what I did today. So let's get into the video and see what I packed my kids for lunch. Okay, so today is Monday and here's what the kids are taking for lunch today. I have each of them a Capri Sun fruit punch. This is Connor's. These again are the Bento boxes. I got these new this year, earlier when they had them on sale on Amazon Prime. So I'll link them down below. I really like them. They're 2 different styles. This one is a tiny bit smaller. This one's a little bit bigger. So I'll link both of them down below. But anyway, Connor is taking some chicken nuggets. Whenever I make these in the oven, I always make some extra and throw them in the refrigerator because they are great to pack for school lunches. So he's got some chicken nuggets, a string cheese down here. I always open the string cheese a little bit for them, just kind of get it started so that it doesn't take them as long to open it during lunch, since they don't really get that long for lunch. I want to make it as easy as possible for them. I also packed him a cutie. I just peeled the top of it so he can get into it a little bit easier, but I also wanted to leave some peels so that it was like a barrier between that and the chicken nuggets. I packed him some cucumbers. He really likes to eat raw cucumbers. Some ketchup for the nuggets, a few Cheez-Its, and some cherry tomatoes. I may throw in a little yogurt tube for him if I can find one in the refrigerator. But that is what he is taking. Kira is taking kind of the same thing, a little bit different. She has the same nuggets. Down here is this little container of ketchup. I love these little Sistema dressing cups, and you can get these on Amazon also. I'll link them down below. They're great for like ketchup or dressing or anything like that. I use them a lot. And then she's got a few Cheez-Its. She's got 1 kiwi cut up, 1 mandarin orange or cutie. She's also got just a regular mozzarella string cheese, and then down in here just an applesauce. So one thing about Kira is that she doesn't like a whole lot of raw vegetables. She likes carrots, she likes spinach, sometimes she'll eat celery, but she doesn't like cucumber or tomatoes. So with these lunches, I just kind of try to customize them a little bit to what the kids like. So that's okay if I don't have any vegetables on hand that she prefers. You know, I just add extra fruit, and with Connor, he does like vegetables, so I added, you know, extra vegetables and just 1 fruit. So that is what they are taking it for lunch today. I will see you again tomorrow. All right, good morning, friends. Today is Wednesday, and just Connor is taking his lunch to school today. Kira wants to eat hot lunch, so I have a lunch for him that I packed last night. In here, I have just a tortilla that I wrapped up. I'll kind of lift it up so you can see it here. I wrapped it up with some turkey deli meat, some cheddar cheese, lettuce, and tomato, and the inside of the tortilla is spread with just a little bit of the light Laughing Cow cheese, and that's just to sort of keep the wrap together so it doesn't fall apart in the lunchbox. I have some little breadsticks and cheese for him that I just fit in here. Sometimes when I have something like this that can kind of move around in the lunchbox, I like to sort of stick stuff down in here so that it doesn't fall apart while they're, you know, banging it around in their backpack. Over here, I just have a cutie that I peeled and sectioned, and some washed and cut up strawberries. And then in this container, I have a little mini Persian cucumber that I washed and cut up. And then this is just a little fun pick that he can eat it with. And then I have a little eyeball pick over here. I'll link all this stuff in the description box below. I've had most of this stuff for a long time, so if it's still available on Amazon, which is where I get pretty much everything in my life, I'll link it down below. And then for a drink today, he has some hint water. So this is the cherry hint, and at my Hy-Vee you can actually get this in the juice box type containers as well as the bottles. And so this is basically just flavored water that's 0 calories, 0 sugar. So I grabbed one of those for him. And then the last thing that I am including is just a little package of these Welch's fruit snacks. I got these yesterday. They are the Halloween ones, and they're really kind of a smaller package. I think they're only about half the size of a regular package of fruit snacks. So that is what Connor is taking for his lunch today. Good morning. Today is Thursday, and I packed the kids' lunch today. I'm using the Bento boxes, which I think I mentioned before. So for Kira, I have some cheddar cheese sticks that I just wrapped up with some turkey. This is deli turkey from Walmart. I think it's the honey turkey. I can't remember exactly though. And then I cut her up an apple. I have a little container of caramel dip for the apple. This is homemade. You just mix together equal parts of cream cheese and brown sugar and a little bit of vanilla, and it makes a really good dip for apples. Tastes like caramel. I have some Ritz crackers in here, and then just some cut up peppers and baby carrots. And then these are just the Capri Sun roaring waters to drink, one of those for each of them. Excuse me. For Connor, I made him a sandwich. It's got turkey, cheese, and a little bit of mayo on it. And then I used this dinosaur sandwich cutter. I can't remember exactly where I got it. I feel like I probably ordered it on Amazon. I'll link it down below if I can find where I ordered it. So it cuts the sandwich into 2 dinosaur shaped pieces, and then I just put a little eye pick in there. He has some cucumbers and some cherry tomatoes, some Cheez-It crackers, some cut up strawberries, and then these little cookies are from a Variety Fun box. I can't remember what brand they are, but they're just little chocolate cookies. So that is what the kids are taking for lunch today. All right, good morning. Today is Friday, and just Connor is taking his lunch today. Here's going to eat at school. I think they're having pancakes and sausage. Is that what you're going to get? Yeah, because I know you don't like the cheeseburger, right? Okay, so really quickly in a skillet, I just crisped up a quesadilla for Connor. So this is just flour tortilla that I sprayed with a little bit of cooking spray, put some shredded cheese in there, and toasted it up in the skillet. You can eat it room temperature, it'll be fine. I have a little container of ranch for his veggies. He's got cucumbers, yellow pepper, and tomatoes, and then sometimes he also likes to dip his quesadilla in the ranch also. I peeled and sectioned cutie orange for him. And then for a treat, he's got an oatmeal cream pie. He took these out at the grocery store last weekend, so he'll be excited to see that. And then an applesauce pouch. These are from Aldi. And a Capri Sun Roaring Waters. Oh wait, Kara wants to show you her snack. So she's got, grab the packages. So she's got one of these reusable bags that we get from Grove, and she put in there dried mango and coconut chips. That sounds like a good combination. So that's what she's gonna have for her snack today. All right, so just Connor is taking lunch today. Kira's gonna eat at school. This is just super quick. It's what I had time for this morning. So in here, I just have a peanut butter and jelly sandwich on the Sara Lee wheat bread. I also packed him a couple turkey sticks and a cheese stick, some sliced strawberries. These were just the rest of the package that I had to use up. Some Capri Sun Roaring Water and grape, one of these Danimal smoothies in the Strawberry Explosion, and then just some plain potato chips that we got from our Variety Fun box. Then I'm just including a Halloween napkin. All right, good morning, friends. Excuse me. Today is Monday, and I packed Connor's lunch for him, a little bit of a Halloween theme. So he's got a Capri Sun Roaring Waters in the tropical flavor. And then I found these Halloween mini pretzels at, where did I get these at? I can't remember now. Oh, Aldi. I found them at Aldi, which I thought was neat, but they're just like little 50 calorie Halloween bag pretzels. And then I made him a turkey sandwich that I cut into the shape of a pumpkin. It just has honey turkey, some cheese, and a little bit of mayo on there, and I cut just with the tip of a knife out a little face. He has a caramel apple that I cut up for him, again with the Halloween theme. A cheese stick that I just made a little ghost face on. Some cucumbers, I'm gonna put that down in there. And then I made one of those little cutie oranges. I just peeled it and then put a little celery in the top to look like a pumpkin. There's some strawberries in the bottom. And then he has a little treat in there of some Whoppers, which he really likes. That just came from our trick-or-treat stash. So Kira's gonna eat lunch at school today, but that is what Connor is taking on this rainy Monday morning. All right, so good morning and happy Halloween. This will be the last lunch that I'm sharing with you in this video. So I tried to do a little bit of Halloween theme. So this is Connor's. He's got 2 sandwiches with bologna, cheese, and lettuce. One is in the shape of a pumpkin, one is in the shape of a ghost with a little eyeball pick. And then I put some candy down in there for him, a sweet tart and a Laffy Taffy Halloween candy.
But I thought that was avocado.
No, and here's a cup of ranch to dip his cucumbers in, and then I just sliced him up an apple, and then I'm also giving him a little package of these Halloween pretzels and a Capri Sun. And then Kira's got a ghost sandwich with cheddar cheese and bologna on it. She's got some spinach underneath, some sugar snap peas, 2 pieces of candy. This is a fruit salad that I made for dinner last night. We had leftover. It just has oranges in it. I left the grapefruits out, by the way. It just has oranges in it, some coconut, what else? Pineapple, maraschino cherries, and then some green grapes with a cutie orange. What?
Looks like a frog.
It looks like a frog, yeah. And then some Halloween pretzels and roaring water. So that is going to be it for this school lunch video. I hope you guys enjoyed and got some new ideas. I know I like watching these on YouTube because I get new ideas as well. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.